Everyone is suddenly talking about Quonset Barndominiums, and most of what you're seeing covers the same 5 layouts over and over. This video is different. These are 15 floor plan configurations that actually get overlooked, starting from a $75,000 weekend cabin build all the way up to a $700,000 full estate, and every single one of them does something the standard layouts don't. Watch this all the way through, because somewhere in the middle of this list, there's one layout that people building Quonset homes consistently wish they had chosen instead of what they went with. It is not the biggest one, and it is not the most expensive one. It is the one that just makes the most sense for the most people, and by the time we get there, you will probably agree. Also, the last layout on this list is something most people don't even realize is possible in a curved metal structure. Quick note before we get into it. Every cost range here is based on 2026 contractor estimates for turnkey builds across different U.S. regions. Your actual number depends on your state, your land, your finish level, and how involved you are in the build process. These are real ranges, not best-case scenarios. Now let's start small and scale up. Layout 1, the Weekend Escape. 700 square feet. Build cost roughly $70,000 to $88,000. This one is not a primary residence. It is a weekend cabin, a hunting retreat, a short-term rental, or a guest house on a property you already own. One open living and sleeping area, a compact kitchen along one wall, one bathroom, and a small covered entry porch on the front end. The arch keeps the whole thing feeling spacious for what it is. Simple, fast to build, and easy to permit in most rural counties across the U.S. Layout 2, the Single Professional. 1,000 square feet. Cost to build $96,000 to $118,000. One large primary bedroom with a proper walk-in closet, 1.5 bathrooms, and an open living and kitchen area that actually has room to breathe. No cramped corners, no wasted hallway space. The entire layout is oriented around one person living well, rather than 2 people living adequately. Clean lines, high ceiling through the center, and enough room in the kitchen for someone who actually cooks. Layout 3, the Couple's Retreat, 1,200 square feet. Build range $108,000 to $130,000. 2 bedrooms, each on opposite ends of the structure, 2 full bathrooms, open kitchen and living in the center with a kitchen island that doubles as a dining area. No formal dining room because the layout doesn't waste square footage on spaces that won't get used every day. This one is designed for 2 people who want a real home without paying for rooms they'll never sit in. Now notice something already. Even at 1,100 square feet, the arch makes these interiors feel larger than the number suggests. That illusion of space is one of the biggest advantages of the Quonset structure, and it becomes even more powerful as we scale up. Layout 4, the First-Time Build. 1,350 square feet. Total cost approximately $130,000 to $162,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open living and kitchen with a proper laundry room and a mudroom at the back entry. This is the layout for someone building their first home on their own land, who wants to do it right without overcomplicating the process. The footprint is straightforward, the build timeline is manageable, and the finished product looks like a home someone chose intentionally, not a compromise. Layout 5, the Garage Apartment Combo. 1,500 square feet total. Build cost $148,000 to $178,000. 800 square feet of finished living space up top, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, full kitchen and living area, 700 square feet of garage and storage below with a 12-foot overhead door. The whole structure sits on a raised foundation with the garage on ground level and the living quarters above it. From the outside, it looks substantial. From the inside, the living area benefits from the elevated ceiling height and the views that come with being a full story off the ground. Ideal for mechanics, collectors, or anyone who needs serious vehicle or equipment storage alongside a proper place to live.
Before we move into the mid-range layouts, here's the thing worth knowing about Quonset builds at this price point. The decisions that cost people the most money are almost never the structural ones. It is always the interior finishes. Flooring, cabinetry, countertops, and bathroom tile will quietly push a $150,000 build to $210,000. You are not intentional. The layouts from here forward are bigger, but the same rule applies at every size. Layout 6, the Homesteader. 1,700 square feet. Cost range $168,000 to $205,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an oversized mudroom and laundry, a large pantry off the kitchen, and a dedicated food prep and preservation area that functions as a second work kitchen. This layout was designed around people who grow food, raise animals, or run a property that requires daily physical work. Everything about the flow of this floor plan assumes you are coming in from outside regularly, and it handles that gracefully. Layout 7, the open-air connector. 1,800 square feet. Build cost $178,000 to $218,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a great room that opens on both ends through large glass doors. One end facing a covered front porch, the other end connecting to a covered rear patio. The entire center of the home becomes an indoor-outdoor living space when both sets of doors are open. In the right climate, this layout essentially doubles your usable living space for a fraction of what an enclosed addition would cost. This is the layout that people who have seen it in person consistently say they wish they had built. This is the layout people email builders about after they've already finished their homes. Because once you experience true indoor-outdoor flow done correctly, it's hard to go back. Layout 8, the remote workers compound. 2,000 square feet. Total build, approximately $198,000 to $242,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large primary suite, and 2 separate dedicated office spaces, each with its own door and soundproofing between them. One office opens off the main living area, the other sits tucked at the far end of the structure for complete quiet. Designed specifically for 2 people working from home in the same house who need actual separation during the workday. The great room and kitchen sit between both work zones, so the living space never feels like an office. Layout 9, the income property. 2,200 square feet total. Cost to build $215,000 to $268,000. 2 completely separate living units inside one Quonset shell. Unit 1 is 1,400 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full kitchen. Unit 2 is 800 square feet with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a kitchenette. Shared wall between them, separate exterior entrances on opposite ends of the building. You live in one side and rent the other, or house extended family, or use the smaller unit as a long-term Airbnb. The mortgage offset potential on this layout is significant depending on your market. At this size, something interesting happens. The Quonset stops feeling like an alternative home and starts feeling like a strategic financial tool. Multi-unit flexibility inside one shell changes how people think about land ownership entirely. Now let's step into full family-scale builds. Layout 10, the family compound starter. 2,500 square feet. Build cost $248,000 to $305,000. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, formal living room, separate family room, large open kitchen with an island, dedicated laundry and mudroom, and a primary suite with a soaking tub and walk-in closet that actually holds 2 people's wardrobes comfortably. At this size, the Quonset arch is wide enough that most people walking through the interior for the first time are genuinely surprised by how much it feels like a traditionally built custom home. This is the layout families build and stay in for 20 years. Layout 11, the detached studio property. 2,800 square feet total across 2 structures. Cost range $278,000 to $345,000. Main house is 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, full open living area. Separate detached studio structure is 700 square feet with its own bathroom, kitchenette, and private entrance. The 2 buildings sit on the same property with a covered walkway connecting them. The studio works as a guest house, an art or music studio, a therapy or coaching practice space, or a long-term rental. 2 Quonset structures built simultaneously share site prep and utility connection costs, which brings the price per square foot down meaningfully compared to building them separately. Layout 12, the entertainer's estate. 3,200 square feet. Build cost $335,000 to $415,000. 4 bedrooms, each with a private bathroom, a chef's kitchen with dual islands and a walk-in pantry, a formal dining room, a great room with 22-foot ceilings at the peak, a dedicated bar area, and large sliding glass walls that open the entire back of the home to a covered outdoor kitchen and entertainment deck.
This layout is built around the experience of hosting at a high level. Every room connects to every other room logically. Nobody gets stuck in a corner. The flow is the whole point. Layout 13, the Wellness Retreat. 3,600 square feet. Total cost, $378,000 to $468,000. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, primary suite with a dedicated dressing room and a spa bathroom that includes a steam shower, soaking tub, and heated floors. Separate home gym wing with rubber flooring and ceiling height that accommodates a full rack and cardio equipment. Infrared sauna room. Meditation or yoga space with natural light from both ends. Cold plunge room off the gym. This layout is for people who take their physical health seriously and want a home that actively supports that rather than just tolerating it. Layout 14, the Equestrian and Land Layout. 4,800 square feet total. Build cost $495,000 to $618,000. 2,800 square feet of luxury residential living, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, full open great room, gourmet kitchen, and a mudroom built specifically for people coming in from outdoor work. Attached 2,000 square feet of functional barn space with 4 stalls, a tack room, a wash rack, a hay storage area, and a direct connection into the residence through a utility room. The exterior reads as one unified structure. The interior keeps the residential and agricultural sides completely separate in terms of smell, noise, and traffic. For horse owners or small-scale farmers who want to live properly on their land, this layout eliminates the back and forth that most rural properties require. This is where the Quonset structure stops being a cost-saving decision and starts becoming a lifestyle decision. You're not just building a house, you're building a working property that functions as one integrated system. Layout 15, the Full Estate. 7,000 square feet across the full property. Build cost $720,000 to $920,000. Main residence at 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a primary wing with its own sitting room and private entrance, home theater, wine room, chef's kitchen with butler's pantry, formal and informal living spaces, and covered outdoor areas on both ends. Separate guest house at 1,400 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full kitchen. Climate-controlled garage and workshop at 1,400 square feet, accommodating 6 or more vehicles with a full detailing bay. Everything on the property is built in the same Quonset architectural language, so it reads as a designed estate rather than a collection of structures. This is the layout most people don't believe is possible until they see it built. It is fully possible. If this breakdown helped you see what's actually possible inside a Quonset structure, subscribe. We cover alternative builds, prefab formats, and real cost transparency without hype. There's also a full video on this channel breaking down traditional straight-wall barndominiums in the same format. Watch both before you commit to one path. 15 layouts, 1 structural system, a price range that scales cleanly from a $70,000 weekend cabin to a near $1 million estate. The Quonset structure is not limited by size, it is limited only by planning. Choose the layout that matches your real life, not the one that looks impressive on paper, and you build once instead of rebuilding later.